Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.